In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a digital magazine in Canva. Let's get started. From choosing a template to publishing your finished design. In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to canva.com. Log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, go to search bar at the top and type magazine. But make sure you have set it to templates. Canva will show you a wide range of magazine templates with ready-made layouts in the proper A4 or later size format. Now scroll to the available templates and select one that fits your style or theme. Once you have chosen a design, click on Customize this template. To open it in Canva editor, inside the editor you will see multiple pages already designed with images and text placeholders. From here you can begin customizing. To replace images, simply click on an image, choose upload and add your own photos. Drag image into place and delete the old one. Next, double click on the text boxes to edit the title, tagline, issue numbers or article headings. You can also adjust fonts, sizes and colors to match your brand or creative vision. If you'd like to add more pages, click on Add Page at the bottom. You can then copy existing text or images and paste them into the new page to maintain a consistent layout. Keep your fonts, margins and spacing uniform across all pages for a clean, professional look. You can further enhance your magazine by adding visual elements, overlays or transparent graphics using Canva's built-in design tools. When you're happy with the result, go to Share button at the top and select Download to save your magazine as a PDF, or choose Publish to share it online directly through Canva. And that's it, you have successfully created your own digital magazine using Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.